Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2020 Buick Enclave Essence Edition that is factory certified. The GM Certified Advantage means that your new Enclave will be protected for years to come. Just some of the features on the exterior include a power lift gate, heated and power door mirrors, and a rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and a power sunroof. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This 2020 Buick Enclave has less than 43,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.